How to turn off read receipts on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your read receipts on your Instagram account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First and foremost, make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and type in Instagram. In case you see update sign here, update your app. Once done, tap on open and make sure that you are logged into your specific Instagram account. Go ahead and tap on the messenger icon on your top right and tap on any chat that you would like to turn the receipt off of. Then tap onto the username. Here tap on privacy and safety. Under who can see your activity, you will see read receipts. Untoggle this button and now they won't be able to see when you have last read their messages. Just like so, this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.